Hello people, welcome to this new channel which is UK Urban Prepper. So I was looking around at different preppers on YouTube and couldn't really find one that I could relate to. Somebody in the UK, which I know there's quite a few in the UK, but in like a urbanish, not in a city, but I'm in a British town. I mean your standard 2-bedroom sort of terrace house. Storage is always an issue. Live with my family, work full-time, so it was all of them things, and then how do you throw prepping in alongside that? Now I've been prepping for quite a number of years, on and off, and I say on and off because I built up a really good prep of loads of food, supplies, things like that, and then I lost my job at one point. And in the 3 months period I was unemployed and trying to sort everything out like that, we pretty much went through the entire prep pantry, all the food, everything like that, which was brilliant. It's exactly what it was there for, so it served its purpose. Now my downfall is after that I never really fully stocked it back up again. Cut to 4 years later, I'm in a different relationship with a new person, wonderful, very supportive, and I've got my own business and everything else is going really well for me, so I thought now's a good time to start stocking up on them little bits. So I was thinking of storage ideas and solutions, and while doing the search around YouTube for somebody similar on a bit of a budget, or maybe not a budget, just a bit tight like I am, I get called Tam. Scottish people will get the reference there, but people who are on a budget and limited space but still want to prep and what they're prepping for. So that's basically what this channel is going to be all about. Also going to be doing bug outs, camping, all sorts like that, and just really UK based, everyman budget prepping. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like, hit subscribe, follow along as we go on this journey together.